Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to change Apple ID to trusted phone number on iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure that you are logged into the mail that you have used in your Apple ID account. If you are not already logged in, then make sure to log in. After that, open a web browser on your mobile device and go to the appleid.apple.com. Inside the appleid.apple.com, log in with your Apple ID and password. Then, once you are logged in, locate the security section and click on it. Under the security section, find the option for phone numbers and click on it. Then, look for the option to add a new trusted phone number and follow the on-screen instructions to enter the new phone number you want to use for receiving verification codes. After entering the new phone number, you will receive a verification code via text messages or phone call. Once you have added the new trusted phone number and if desired, remove the old one and save your changes. By following these steps, you can easily change the trusted phone number associated with your Apple ID and ensure that you receive verification codes on a new number. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.